Okay, let's go through the homework. Where's your book? Why haven't you got your book? Why is it in your grandma's house? So it went from the parrot ate it, the pig ate it, to now being it's in your grandma's house. And you're blaming your family members, is it? Okay.
Oh God.
Why are you getting emotional? Relax, chill. No, not half AB sign. Why are you using half AB sign C? I just said.
That's what I read.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yeah.
Apart from English.
Yes. I'll tell you once you do the questions. It's a suspense.
You speak French.
I speak 5.
Tell us.
Nutella?
Tell us.
I'll tell you when you do the questions as
Tell
well.
us too then.
I'll tell you all 5 of them in the end, if you do all the questions. Okay, so just to follow up from what we did last week, so let's do cosine rule, right? But I'll show you with the algebra side of things. So the question is, find x.
Oh, that's easy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
How'd you do it?
Can't say that.
I'm not your cuz.
16.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then you got the opposite left, which is like 15.
Uh-huh.
And then B and C, which is 3x minus 1 and x plus 1.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Okay. Right. So last week, remember what we did is we did area of triangle, right? Remember this? We had this kind of question, right? And I said, for example, 2x plus 1, x plus 4, let's say 30, and I said the area was 50, and I said find x. What was the area of the triangle that was non-right angle? Anyone remember it?
Half AB sin C.
Half AB sin C, right? Now in this one, what's changed it compared to the question on last week? What's happened? There's no area, and there's also something else.
Oh, just side.
Huh?
The length of the side.
Sir, are you speaking English? I can't even understand a single word that's coming out of your mouth. What are you saying?
The
Say,
length of an extra side.
the length of an extra side, yeah? No?
Yeah.
Okay, sine rule or cosine rule, even though I wrote cosine rule?
Cosine. It's a trick question, it's going to be side.
But if
Damn.
I find theta, find the x.
Oh, do we have to figure out theta as well?
That would be after. But you said it was easy.
No.
Okay, what's the cosine rule? Anyone remember the cosine rule formula?
X squared.
Good start.
To b squared plus c squared.
Yeah,
Minus 2bc cos a.
I was
cool.
going to say.
Of course. Now, you need to remember this formula. It's not going to come up in the exam, right? Now, look at A, B, C, capital A. We need to assign the values. What is my small letter A? What's that going to be?
60.
You're right the first time, 15,
Oh.
right? B can be 3x minus 1 or x plus 1, doesn't matter. And C is x plus 1. So B and C can be interchangeable, right? Here, B and C can be either or, it doesn't make any difference. And the capital A is your angle, which is 60. So far so good? Yeah? I'm literally just going to put this in the formula, right? So instead of A squared, what am I going to have? 15 squared. B squared, I'm going to say 3x minus 1 squared plus C squared, which is x plus 1 squared, minus 2bc, which is 2, times 3x minus 1, times C, which is x plus 1, times cos 60, right? So I'm closing that off. So now 15 squared is what? 225. If I expand 3x minus 1, what's that going to be? 9x squared minus 6x plus 1. Everyone should know how to expand brackets, yeah? And then x plus 1 squared, that's going to be what? X squared plus 2x plus 1. Minus, now, what's cos 60? Half. That 2 and half can cancel out. So that cancels and cancels. So then I'm left with 3x minus 1 and then x plus 1. Whoops, and then close that bracket, right? Careful, the bracket needs to be closed. Why do I need to close this bracket? Why am I doing that for?
So it doesn't get mixed up.
Okay, fine, partly, yes, but there's also another reason why I'm doing that, because I know most people are going to miss it. There's a minus there in front, isn't it?
Yeah.
225. If I simplify this, 9x squared plus x squared, 10x squared. Minus 6x plus 2x is what? 1 plus 1? 2. 3x minus 1 and x plus 1, I need to expand that. So if I expand the bracket, 3x times x is what? 3x squared. 3x times 1, 3x. So that's what? Plus 2x minus 1. Now this is why you need the bracket, because you need to times it, or times everything, by minus here. Minus times 3x squared, minus 3x squared. Minus times 2x, minus 2x. Yeah? Minus times minus 1, plus 1. You don't put the bracket, you will forget. You will just put minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. This is why it's important that you put the bracket, because then you'll know, oh, I need to times everything by minus. Now if I simplify this, 225, that becomes what? 7x squared minus 6x plus 3. Now move 225 to the other side. So it becomes what? 7x squared minus 6x plus 3. So we have here 7x squared minus 6x plus 3. Move the 225 to the right hand side. Minus 225 equals 0. Then 7x squared minus 6x minus 222 equals 0. Yeah? And everyone should know what to do after that, right? You just use quadratic formula or completing the square. And then you'll find your value of x. Now, these questions are at least 5 marks in the exam if they come up. Well, cosine with algebra like this, sometimes even 6. So if you know how to do this, which is basically just a method, you're putting the numbers inside, well, I'll say the algebra inside the formula, it's just expanding brackets. That's all it is. Yeah, it's not as hard as it looks, even though it looks hard, it's just expanding the brackets and simplifying it. Anyone have any question? Did anyone find the answer? Yes, you get, what was it?
X is 6.07.
Yeah.
And then the other one?
Hopefully we don't find
No, you don't, but you need to write it in the exam, right? And then say, okay, this, obviously you take the positives, yeah?
Minus 5.21.
Okay, so obviously write this in the exam, but then you take the positive value and you let them know, okay, my x is going to be 6.07, because obviously I can't have a negative value, because it's going to give me a negative length. What is it, Amari?
No, that's what I was just wondering, like, how could you have a negative length?
Exactly. Your mind is thinking the right way, yes. Yeah,
on the second part.
yeah.
15 squared plus 3. What's that stage? 4, 3x minus 1.
The bracket.
Bracket A.
What, which line?
Well, 15 squared equals 3x minus 1.
Okay.
Plus x
Yeah,
minus 1
yeah.
minus
2, it was a 2.
Bracket 2.
Yeah, it was a 2, because I'm following the formula, 2.
Read them.
Get some glasses. Everyone copied? You haven't copied, I know you haven't. Okay, come on.
It's all done.
Why are you getting emotional? Relax, chill.
So I have a question.
Yeah.
Do you speak any languages apart from English?
Yes,
Which?
I'll tell you once you do the questions.
Okay.
It's a suspense.
He speaks French.
I speak 5.
Tell us.
Nutella?
Tell us.
I'll tell you when you do the questions
You
as
tell
well.
us 2 then.
I'll tell you all 5 of them in the end, if you do all the questions. Anyone remember how to remember a formula?
Sum.
A what? A song? How do you remember a formula without trying to remember the formula? Huh, how's that for a tongue twister?
You write it on your hand.
Just write every time you do questions.
Write it when you do the questions, that's it. That's how you remember it. You don't need to try and remember it, like just write it and it will come automatically. Every single question you write the formula and it will come easily. Let's do 10 questions.
10.
Yeah, why?
I'm gonna give you like 5.
Nah, I believe in you, you can do it.
That's a long
Okay, so obviously all of these are finding x, yeah?
Is that 12?
What would you like it to be?
one. That's 57.
12. Is it, 57, Amari. You also very blind, is it? Literally just copy what I've written in the example and then just follow that. Put the numbers in and that's it. That's all you need to do, yeah? Don't write anything else.
Half A, B, sine, C.
No, not half A, B, sine. Why are you using half A, B, sine, C? I just said.
That's what I wrote.
Oh my
Which
gosh.
one was it?
Oh la la.
Oh no, I know which one it is now.
Yeah, it was
A
written.
squared equals B squared.
Homework answers.
Yeah.
Where's homework method?
That's my book.
So hold on, let me just get this right. You copied the answers from your book, which by the way, I highly doubt you did that. I know you probably got these answers from someone else. So you copied the answers from the book
Yeah.
as opposed to just bringing the book itself.
Yeah.
I asked where your left ear is. Instead of you saying this, you're saying this. I said, where's your left ear? Instead of you saying this is my left ear, you're saying this is my left ear. That's what you did with this. You could have just brought the book. Why are you copying it? That's the, oh. You don't get the analogy. Does everyone else get the analogy? Yeah.
It doesn't matter as long as you point.
Oh my god. Never mind. I think everyone else gets it. That's okay. What is it, Aaron? Stop. 2.
It's annoying me.
Yeah, tell that to the exam now.
Cross it out.
No. You don't cross it out. It's just 2.
So why is your handwriting?
First, stop getting emotional. Relax, okay? Cos 60 is what? Half, isn't it? If you put in the calculator, it will tell you half. What's half times 2?
1.
That's why I cross out the 2 after in the next step. It will take, remember, it will take some time, but it's nothing too difficult. You guys can do this, yeah? It's not as hard as it looks. Where's it? Yeah, stop.
I can't.
Huh?
Can't see the question.
Oh. You haven't written the formula. You have to write the formula. Write the formula and follow the formula. That's the thing. If you don't have the formula there, you won't be able to follow what you're writing. It becomes very difficult. When you're doing these questions, write the formula. I'm telling you, that's the easiest lazy way of you remembering the formula. if that's what you want to do. Or you're going to have to read every single of the bit of the formula to try and remember it, which you're not going to do. So just rewrite it. Naturally, it will just come to your mind. Trust me. That's how I remembered it. Just write it again, every single question, and it will come easily.
So you know one of our friends in Martin, he would wear like shorts and a t-shirt in whatever weather.
Okay.
But for some reason in summer, he'll always wear a jumper.
I had one student that, it was I think 35 degrees where we were doing teaching, and he wore a North Face black coat inside the class and didn't take it off. And I asked him, like, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine, sir. And I'm sweating like a pig here. I'm like, water, and he's just wearing it, 35 degrees.
What, Philly black?
Some people just have that. Sienna, what'd you get for 4? Check it with Yash.
4.4 minus 2.8.
4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
3.
7 minus 5.36.
I got 6.92 minus 5.92.
So you did question 2 and 3 twice.
2 and 3.
You did 1, 2, 3, then 2, 3.
3x squared minus 3x.
Okay, right. Or
Minus 3x.
Yeah.
Example.
I think Yash is wrong.
no, Yash is wrong.
Yash.
Wait, hold up, shh, guys. Shh, hold up. So was
So,
yeah, go on. You were saying something.
everyone keep talking, I'll say it.
No. So you said he was wrong. He's saying, why was I wrong?
Because you added the numbers wrong.
Okay, Aaron, what's 12 squared? What did you write? 225. Is it hard?
Yes.
Except Aaron. But is it hard?
So you know the legs on this chair?
Yeah.
Are they covered in paper?
I don't know. You have to ask the owner. I'm not sure.
I don't know. What's
Then don't ask him. Chris, you're talking about being scared. You're the one who's taking your bike seat off
Yeah.
and then bringing it here.
Yeah, let's get your bike out. Yeah, that's risky. Why not just take the bus instead of riding your bike? They're not going to steal a bus, are they?
Huh?
You go to university.
Why?
Just ask you which one you went to.
I went to university on the road.
Oh, on the road.
So yeah, where else would it be? Planet Mars.
What was the university called?
You want to know what languages I speak? You want to know what university I went? What else do you want to know? Let me make a tally of the questions that
Because
you...
I think you're a robot, I can't lie.
I'm a robot.
NPC.
So the person who's prepaid. What is NPC?
Non-player character.
Well, you might as well just call me an avatar then, isn't it?
Avatar is just a
Customizable.
customizable body.
Yeah. Isn't that kind of like a robot as well?
No, an NPC,
NPC
non-player
is actual.
character. It's
So
like, you know when you play
all these
GTA
people-
and you got the people that work in the banks and whatever, they're not real people. They're not real like players.
So you're calling me a robot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
Because you do like 1 million classes a day, like all day. Over
No
your
one
weekend.
can do that.
And then you work during the week.
Yes.
And then you do tennis.
Yeah. When do you sleep?
Yeah. When do you like eat food?
Actually, that's interesting. I didn't eat anything today as well. Kind of hungry.
NPC. Synonym. NPC behavior.
No, your body gets used to it as you work hard. It's like football. Oh my gosh, you're someone else. What position do you play in? Winger. Are you a good winger? Chris is laughing at you because he looks like you're quite not that great, is it, of a winger? Chris, is he good? He's
You've
alright.
never seen me play. Shut up. You've never seen me play football. I've seen you play cricket. That was only for fun.
Anyways, going back to what I was saying is that you're playing football. Your body's probably used to playing football now for some time. Okay, now you just come back from the summer, but before that, you're probably used to playing football for those periods of time, right?
Yeah.
So that's your body gets adjusted to it. That's how it is. Most people don't want to put the work in, and they get lazy, and then they complain. Oh my gosh, he's got a higher grade than me. She's got a higher grade than me. She's just smart. He's just smart. He's a, what do you guys call it now? Was it neek?
Yeah. That's Christian.
What is that? Nerd and.
No, no, geek.
Oh my days, the words that you guys come up with. Is that you guys came up with, or is that how the schools you speak in school?
That's how everybody speaks.
So as a person who's prepaid or full paid,
That's the only thing you can say now.
I can say a lot of other things as well.
Say it then.
I don't want to cause embarrassment.
So I'm going to say it.
Say it then. I'm waiting.
Okay, we're all finished for today. Homework is there. Careful the camera at the back. Careful. Do not tip that off because I'm watching.